Today we will be testing the RSI Momentum Bands indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI Momentum Bands indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 826 indicators, with 336 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 32 of the winning indicators. 10 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the RSI Momentum Bands indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is pretty easy, as you can probably guess, just visually looking at it and looking at the bar coloration. What we have is basically a channel, the kind of bands here, running down or kind of oscillating through the middle of the screen there. And then we have an oscillating line here that is poking its way up above and down below the bands. And so what we're looking for is the break to the upside or the break to the downside, as the coloration implies here and the bar coloration also shows. And so when we get a green bar here, that means that the line here breaks up above the band. That's going to be a long signal there. When we get a red coloration in the candles, that means that the band here, or the oscillating line, is breaking down below the bands, and we are going to go short. That is a short signal. So that's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that red bar coloration there. We get the oscillating line there that breaks out to the downside of the band, and you can see that we get a pretty nice push to the downside there. That is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here, that green coloration that we're looking for in the bars there as the oscillating line breaks to the upside of the bands. Get a little bit of a push to the upside, then a pullback, and run pretty much into consolidation as we then roll over and start to drop out to the downside here, which stops us out on this long and picks up a short right here. Let's go ahead and play this one forward just a little bit here. And it looks like that one's going to drop down and get us to our take profit. Sure did. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we pick up this long right here on this one, and unfortunately we get just enough of a pullback right here that it does come down and stop us out just by a couple pips before it then rolls under and starts to make that push to the upside. That would have gotten us to our take profit had we not gotten stopped out there just barely. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. One of our members here, he's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just general Forex analysis of the market. Posting really great charts, really informative charts, outlining kind of how you should be looking to mark up a chart and areas you should be looking for once you have a chart marked up, and kind of understanding how Forex is flowing accordingly to that support and resistance and things like wedge patterns and so on. And so then there are some of our other members who are just posting just some really great information, trades that they are looking to take. You can see here trades that they are in and are doing really well, and just general knowledge and support all around. So it's just a really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of coaching everybody and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, get everything kind of crunched back. All right, let's go ahead and count these out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we have 18 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winning trades. So just a little short of that 60% criteria that we were looking for. Indicators interesting, gave a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time, but again did fall short just a little bit of the 60% that we were looking for. Yeah, interesting indicator. Like I said, it was catching some of the trades at a really decent time, but then some of these continuation trades were getting a little bit faked out with a little bit too much movement to one side or another. Yeah, all in all, just wasn't quite able to get us to the win rate that we were looking for. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.